Welcome back to the channel. This one is specially for the men who have ever felt invisible around the woman they like or felt her tension slowly slipping away despite giving their all. This video is not about tricks or pretending to be someone you're not. This is about understanding female psychology, attraction dynamics, and the subtle art of emotional presence. Traction does not grow from pressure. It grows in the absence of certainty. We're breaking down how to flip the dynamic and get her to feel your absence in a way that leaves a mark in her thoughts. Even if Esh never gave you much attention to beg with, we're not here to manipulation yon, but to awaken the kind of malleable self-respect and presence that silently makes people curious and even regretful. Bez, what makes someone miss you isn't silence for the sake of punishment. It's presence that leaves a meaningful echo when it disappears. You need to know when to show up with value, when to pull back with purpose, and how to leave her mind occupied with thoughts of you. Even when you're no longer texting her good morning every day, if she never really felt anything for you, you can still make her miss you. Sounds impossible, right? But there's the truth. Emotions don't always come from love or history. They come from how someone experiences your presence. Most men stay too available, thinking it will win her over. But the more you're around, the less your valued comfort replaces mystery and she stops feeling anything. This isn't about playing games. It's about understanding female psychology and emotion. Attraction grows in uncertainty, not in routine. You need to stop giving her emotional energy she hasn't earned. If she's not putting in effort, don't keep chasing. Pull back, not to punish, but to restore balance. If she notices you're gone, that's the first sign she actually cared. If not, you saved your energy. Let the sun speak. Most men fear it. But if she never feels your absence, she'll never miss you. Don't fix the distance with more effort. That only kills attraction. Kill the habit of checking in every day. It seems sweet, but it becomes predictable. Predictability kills desire. I speak only when you have something real to say. Live a life she has to catch up to. Stop pretending to be busy and actually become busy. Work on your goals, your body, your mind, and let your energy speak. Let her feel the space. Don't chase when the energy drops. Let her compare your silence to what once was. If it had value, she'll feel it. Stop giving power away. The one who gives power to the one being chased. Step back gracefully. Let her question your absence. That's where value grows. Curiosity matters more than jealousy. Don't overshare. Don't explain. Just move insolence. She'll start thinking about you not because you forced it, but because she finally noticed the difference. Let her miss the version of you who no longer tries to be missed. That's the man she'll remember. That's the man she'll chase. Drop your story in the comments, and if this helped, hit subscribe and keep growing.